Cam-BlackVue DR900X-2CH with 32GB micro SD card, 4K UHD cloud dashcam. The front camera has 8 megapixel sensor / 4K ultra high definition. It has 162 degrees of viewing angle. Rear camera has 2.1 megapixels. It has 139 degrees lens angle. It has high-efficiency video coding. We can get great-looking 4K videos. It has a parking mode. It has a native parking mode with a built-in voltage monitor to protect the vehicle battery. It has 3 grams connectivity. It has a G sensor that can detect impact and motion. It is built-in Wi-Fi network. It is a dual-channel dash cam. Customer reviews 4.4 out of 5. Minimum operating temperature 4 F to upper 158 F.